Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily rebirth now, that the system won't take away all of your shekels. So go to the Garden Ascension area, and then I want to send. So now you'll actually need just 1 trillion, and for instance, I need just 1 sugar apple. So I'm just going to get, I think I have one in my inventory actually. I wish there was a way to go there a little bit faster, but now they will only take 1 trillion and they won't take all of your shekels. So here, I want to send, and then confirm. And then as you can see, I have 10 of the garden coins. However, the currency, well, like the prices are now a little bit more expensive here. As you can see, you can get the laser fence here, Greek fence here. Oh, I'm getting this. I'm getting that right now. That's cool. Anyways, that is it. That's how you can now rebirth. They did change the system a little bit, so thank you for that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.